Hey, you girl. Me? Yes, you. Come here. You think I don't see you flashing that your frowsy tail upon my boyfriend? You think I don't see? Eh? You see me a flash upon your boyfriend, miss? Me? Shut up! Am I asking you anything? Let me tell you something, foolish girl. When you see flashy man coming around, when you see man shining like the sun, you should know that they have their shiny, flashy woman behind them. And don't look at you. Eh? Please, I beg, look at you, my friend. Don't you dare try that with this, my boyfriend. Sir, how are this parmeja? That girl I don't know say Jamaica may come from, I don't know what I don't care where you come from. Eh? So because you are from Jamaica, I should be afraid of you. I don't care where you come from, idiot girl. Idiot like you and your man and the whole of your family, them fool. Look here, girl. Don't test me patient out here. Don't test me patient. No. Do not hold that your patient. Lose it. Lose it up on me in this party. Eh? Lose it, my friend. Lose it. And you will see. You will see what will happen tonight. You will see. Girl, you see, before this gets serious and me got prison tonight, let me tell you something. Me no want your boyfriend. And not even man that. Me no want your man. Me no want your boyfriend. And most of all, me no look man. Me don't look. You see this nice good up self? Me don't look man. You hear me? So let me tell you something. Don't come to me and come talk about me. I look your man. Because I wasn't there looking your man. Alright? You don't want him. Then why are you flashing that your tail upon him? You think I don't see? You think I wasn't watching all night with you whispering to him? You think I don't see? Listen. He will never make you moan and groan like I do. He will find you cool like a plantain stem. So please, I beg. Please, you know what? I won't even beg. Listen, let me tell you something, girl. Don't ever go near that my boyfriend again. I warned you. I warned you, oh. I warned you. This idiot girl, you look like sticks stuck in your ears. Me say me no want you, man. You see the whole night me around the counter. You see me I try to get me drink, and every minute me I feel whisper to your man. I tell him say me don't want him. Me no want your man. That me I tell you. Hold on, let me tell you something. You know what me have to do to get rid of him? Me have to take his number. You don't believe me? Let me tell you it. Me paper there. 5543311. Listen, me no want your man. I'm a try come after me. Me no want him. You see, him want me. Hey! Hey! I am finished. Hey! Chideke, I am finished, oh. Hey! Richie, oh. Richie go embarrass me this, that, so. Hey! So I gave you his number. Hey, Chideke, oh, I am finished, oh. Hey! Let me tell you something, miss. Even if me did I look your man, a your man must know. A your man must be faithful. Or maybe you need to put your man on a leash. Because you know, say I'm astray. What do you know, say I'm astray. Let me tell you something, you see, next time, when you think say your man a look woman, a your man you fi attack. Don't go on a attack woman. You know, see man short. You don't see woman plenty. A man look for a woman. Them can't even help themselves. Them are going to give you one, but listen to me, girl. Don't run down the girl. Go run down your man. Go talk to your man. If your man don't say yes, it can't work. If your man don't agree, nothing can happen. And I him you there with that on me. So next time, girl, don't trace a girl. Trace your man.